Recording.
All right, we're in Cherokee again. Good morning. Hopefully I never have to use their services. Man, I do not ever want to ride in an ambulance. That's one of those things you just hope you never have to experience. And again, there's Peter's. It is packed. I just noticed there's a chop house across from that BP. They're open 11 to 9 daily, and they have a buffet and native food. So there's somewhere else I'm going to have to try. I have to come up here and have dinner. I don't come up here often in a car though, so it's much more fun to come here on a motorcycle. And you know what I mean when I say I don't like eating a great big meal and then jumping on a motorcycle. And if I'm gonna sit down at a buffet, I'm eating a great big meal. Native Brews Tap and Grill. Why does it seem like every restaurant nowadays is some kind of microbrewery? Heavenly Fudge Shop. That's another place. That's my next stop. I noticed that place last weekend. I really need to get it. I should go over there sometime and check out all those little shops and stuff. Touristy junk. It might be pretty cool back in there. We had terrible storms last night, so I hope this road isn't all messed up. Everywhere I've been today, the roads are wet. The fog is finally starting to lift, but I think it's going to be foggy up at the top of this mountain. I'm really hoping to see some elk out, but I don't think we'll see any. I have very low hopes. What? He's gonna get into the right lane and let me go? They won't. Yeah, I'm not seeing elk. Sorry, I am not seeing elk. So sad. So sad. So sad. All right, give you a heads up. It is 9 a.m. on a Wednesday. It's been holding at 72 degrees. It's the last Wednesday of July. August 1st is Saturday. Summer's almost behind us. I've had so many other things going on. I'm not getting a chance to ride as much as I wanted to ride during my retirement. Got so many other things going on. I've got mother-in-law problems. That's what's going on. I have a mother-in-law that lives right next door. There's the elk, and everything my mother-in-law wants, my mother-in-law gets. So there it is. There's your elk. I was hoping to see some bucks. There is a little baby though. The little tiny one's kind of cute. Alright, that's what we come for. That wasn't as many as there were 3 weeks ago. But yeah, that was a good herd of elk. Maybe there'll be some more in this field. And that is going to be a big old no. Those signs are new to stay out of the field when the elks are present. I'm thinking an elk with the baby would just mess you up. But yeah, back to my mother-in-law. Man, if you've heard any of my rants from other videos, last year I built her a house, and it's messed up that they make you dig around the trees to put in a septic system, and you kill all the roots of the trees. Why not just let me take all the trees out, put the septic system in, and go? But no! Then a year later, all the trees die in the drain field. So I called a buddy of mine, and he came out. It's just cool. I mean, he came out on Monday, and he looked at it, and he threw a number to take out 6 trees. And I'm like, do it. Let's do it. And he says, and the reason I didn't take the trees down is because there's power lines and stuff. I'd rather have somebody that's bonded and insured. So in case something goes wrong, a tree falls the wrong way, I'm not paying the power company to come out and put up a main line. My neighbors aren't out of power for a couple hours. So we agreed on the price, and he's like, cool, I might not get to it for a couple weeks. And I looked at him, I said, that's amazing. I said, couple weeks, perfect, couple weeks. I'm thinking middle of August. Yeah, I'd rather deal with trees middle August than the end of July. Well, he leaves. 5 minutes later, he's back. He's like, yeah, my crew just finished up at another job. We're going to go ahead and do it today. I just started laughing. I'm like, of course you're going to do it today. So yesterday I spent my morning until about 2 o'clock. I spent cleaning up some of her front yard, because it's a pretty good debris field. 6 trees makes a pretty good mess. They all were about 20 inches at the base of the tree, so yeah. So I still got maybe another dump trailer full of trees that I